Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Adobe keeps crashing problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to turn off some features in Adobe Acrobat. These features prevent Adobe Acrobat from working. For this, we open Adobe Acrobat. From the top menu, click on Edit. Click on Preferences. In the window that opens, click on General on the left. Here we make sure that the Show Online Storage when saving files is not selected. Then scroll down and click OK. In this way, we saved the setting we made. After saving, we open the Preferences window again. After opening, click on Security Enhanced from the left menu. Here we turn off the Enabled Protected mode at startup. Say yes to the pop-up window. Now all we have to do is close the window and run Adobe Acrobat again. Now there will be no problems while working. This was our first solution. If this solution didn't work, we'll move on to the second solution. Our second solution is to repair Adobe Acrobat. For this, we open Adobe Acrobat. Click on Help from the top menu and click on Repair Installation. We are waiting for the process to finish. The repair process is complete. We close Adobe Acrobat. As you can see, a second Adobe Acrobat shortcut was added to the desktop. We'll delete the first shortcut and log in with the second Adobe Acrobat. This second shortcut is Adobe Acrobat we repaired. This was our second solution. I found the third solution on Reddit and found it worked for a lot of people. It's a bit of a long process, but it's a sure solution. First, we need to download Notepad++. I will put the link of the site in the video description. After entering the site, click Download Notepad++ at the top. We click on Download. If your computer is 64-bit, you need to download it from here. If it is 32-bit, you need to download it from here. Click on the downloaded file. We install Notepad++. Notepad is installed. Click on File Explorer. Click on Local Disk C. Click on the Windows folder. We find the System 32 folder. After that, we find the Drivers folder. Click on the Etc. folder. Right-click on the host folder among the files found here. And click on Edit with Notepad++. As you can see, a window popped up. This window will be the same for you. Here we need to paste the texts that I will put in the description part of the video. We leave a blank line and paste it with Ctrl+V, then click on File from the top menu and click Save As. We click Save. Here we will get such an error. By saying yes to this error, we save the file to the documents. We close Notepad. We open a second File Explorer. Click on Documents. As you can see, there is the hosts file that we have saved here. Drag and drop this file to the Etc. folder. Click Continue. Then right-click on the first hosts file and delete this file. After this process, we rename the hosts file that we have added by clicking F2. And we delete the .txt. We press Enter. We click Yes. Click Continue. The settings we made are saved. This process is a little complicated. But if you do it step by step as I showed, it will work. This was our third solution. If this solution doesn't work either, we'll move on to our fourth and final solution. Our fourth solution is to completely uninstall Adobe Acrobat and reinstall it. In this way, a clean installation will solve the error. We need a small program to completely remove Adobe Acrobat. I will put the link of the program in the description of the video. After entering the link, click Download. Then click on the zip here. We select the location we want to save and click Save. File downloaded. Click on the downloaded file. Click on the X file in it. We say yes to the pop-up window. There are applications available on our computer here. Right-click on Adobe Acrobat and click Uninstall. And click Yes. Make sure Adobe Acrobat is closed while doing this process. Click Finish. And click Close. Adobe Acrobat has been completely removed. Now all we have to do is go to Adobe Acrobat's site and install it again. I'm not going to show it in the video. This way a clean install will fix the error. And that was our fourth and final solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.